guys, it's me, Super Mario Lucas here. As you can see, we are going to be trying to put the Tyrannosaurus Rex toy with the shark hand puppet. Here, let me put on the hand puppet. If you want this, you gotta go to the Seattle Aquarium at like this sort of dock, and if you go to the gift shop, you could see toys, you could see shark teeth with names, you could get hand puppet candy, and this is the hand puppet. What's up? Hey. Huh? Huh? Oh! Pew pew pew. Okay. We got the Tyrannosaurus Rex and the shark hand puppet. This is gonna be difficult. Oh gosh. Dun, 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 dun. I think this is gonna work, actually. Wait. Nope, I messed it up. Oh gosh. Dun, 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 dun. OMG, I think we're about to make it. Now that's how you do it. The new dinosaur hybrid. It's a hybrid. The Sharkosaurus Rex. OMG. The mouth opens. The Sharkosaurus Rex. S-Rex. Yeah, that's the better name. S-Rex. Buy one, get one free. Why? Why, Daddy? Why did you do that? That has to hurt a lot. Let's test Mario out. This hybrid has a bunch of random teeth inside its real body, and it has small hands. It's a sea animal and a normal animal. The Sharkosaurus Rex. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to die. Comment down below if you want to see more videos. Bye!